Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to convert a integer into a string. So let me show you my little example here. So I have an integer which is just 1, and then my string value is my name, Ryan. Now I'll show you it won't work here. So if you want to, let's say we want to just say Ryan is number 1, for example. So we're going to do this. So we're going to print out letter which is Ryan, and then we'll do concatenate it to is number, and then if we do number and we run it, it will give us this error here, must be string, not int. So to change this into a string value, it's pretty simple. All you type is str, and then you have to put parentheses around your string value, which in this case is number, and we run it again, and there you go. Ryan is number 1. Very chill. Yeah, so this was a question that somebody asked me about. If you have any questions about Python, how to do something, then I'll try to make a video about it and share it with everyone. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I only have like 4% of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, like 94% are not subscribed. So if you want to join that, I guess 4%, make it a little higher, that'd be awesome. And like the video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Goodbye.